My name's Aoife O'Driscoll. I'm a plant pathologist at Niab, and I teach 2 courses on the Niab Technical Training Programme, which are introductory and advanced courses in disease management and control in cereal crops. The introductory course, we look at some basic concepts. We look at pathogen life cycles, we look at their epidemiology and how they infect plants. We look at how to diagnose disease both within a crop and across cropped areas. We look at fungicides and their mode of action before we take a look at how you actually implement those products in the field. And then we also take a look at some of the newer things that are coming down the line, like biological control agents and how they can be used on farm. And then finally, we look at some of the non-chemical control options, how they're used, how you use them in best practice, and the best ways to implement those in your cereal disease management strategy. The key type of people we see coming to these courses and really benefiting from these courses are new entrants to agronomy and farming and disease management research. So perhaps those studying for their basis, those who are working in variety testing or variety trialing, or those working in labs and looking at research on diseases. And they really benefit from just gaining an understanding of pathogen life cycles, understanding how the various techniques for non-chemical control works, and also just understanding the basics of how fungicides work or biological controls work so that they can implement those when they're studying for their basis or when they're starting to look at varieties, testing varieties and working in those research labs. So the real benefits of the course is the variation in the type of people that are present at these courses, and so you gain a lot both from just the training itself, but also being in attendance with this broad range of a different audience, and everyone learns from each other and not just from the trainer. If you'd like to find out more about these courses and more, you can head to our website or email niabtraining@niab.com.